You're welcome to my channel. You're welcome to Tarron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploits. If today is the first time of seeing my channel, do well by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. It's beside the subscribe button, and click on notification and then all, so that you see all my videos whenever I post a new one. All right, you can like by clicking the thumbs up. If this video is helpful to you, you can click it. You can share with friends. All right, invite people to subscribe to this channel so that I can keep going and uploading new videos. All right, so in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make another beautiful moderate pouch purse. So let's get into the detail of the video. So this is the bag, the material I'm using. Okay, it's a leather material. Okay, so now the measurement is 9 by 12 inches, 9 by 12 inches, and then I'll be using this belt just to decorate and design the purse. So by the time we're through, you see what we have. All right, so now I'll be using this is a key holder or a ring, and then I'll be using this is my runner or my zip head, and then I'll be using this zip cloth. All right, so let's get into the video proper. So now the first thing is to get the middle of this purse and sew this. Centralize it. Centralize it. This is like 3.7. Okay, so centralize it and run it. So fix your zip cloth. You can support this channel by becoming a member, by joining the membership on my channel here on this YouTube channel. If you would like to be seeing quality videos like this, you can become a member. Support my channel to empower me to keep uploading more videos. So you top stitch it the second time like this. All right, so the next thing is to fix my zip head or runner. Turn it to the wrong side. So turn it to the other side, to the right side, I mean. So all right, so now the next thing is to fix this one. After fixing this, I'm going to be top stitching this. So this brings us to the end of the video. How do you see this? All right, so please, I would like to see your comments. If you love the video, let me see your comment by commenting. And if you also, please like by clicking the thumbs up to show that you really appreciate the video. So see you in my next video. If you're yet to subscribe, subscribe. Just click on the red subscribe button, and then you can join you can become a member of my channel, whereby you'll be seeing special videos. Okay, so, and it's renewable on a monthly basis. Check the package that is suitable for you. All right, and then you see other videos there. You can ask me questions, okay, and then there will be live chats with me. So if you subscribe, like if you join, if you become a member of this channel. All right, so for now, this is what we'll be doing. For those, you become my special, candidate, whereby I will be responding to your questions. And then if you have confusion about bag business, I'll be discussing with you. There will be time out with my members. All right, so I'll be expecting to see you join. Okay, the membership, my YouTube membership, it's beside the subscribe button. Join it, and then we are good to go. All right, see you in my next video. Bye for now.